In this video, I'll show you how Perplexity AI works by exploring insights from a detailed Reddit tutorial thread. Let's get started. I'm starting at the top of a post where a user is asking about the technical infrastructure and data pipeline behind the platform. As I scroll down, I see the community suggesting a look at their GitHub repository to understand the underlying code. I notice users discussing how Perplexity is different from a standard search engine. One person points out that it uses its own crawlers and spiders to navigate the web, which means it isn't just copying snippets but is actually exploring pages. Now I'm reading a breakdown of the actual search process. When I enter a query, Perplexity first tries to understand the question and transforms it into a set of searchable terms. It then uses search APIs from engines like Google, Bing, or Brave to find the most relevant current pages. This is essentially a retrieval augmented generation system, often called RAG. The platform pulls the results, cleans the text, and provides it to a large language model as context. This allows the AI to generate an answer that is based on fresh, real-time information rather than just its training data. Looking further down, I see a clear summary of the logic. The system searches the top web results, scrapes the text, and converts that data into vectors. It then selects the best chunks of information to help the AI answer the user's prompt accurately. This process ensures the response is both comprehensive and grounded in verified sources. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.